Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi, I'm Andrew from 1A Auto. We're going to show you how to remove window tint from your vehicle. If you need any parts for your car, visit 1aauto.com. We're going to have a heat gun, and we're going to have a razor blade handy. I've got a little extra attachment on the heat gun here. You don't necessarily need this attachment, but it's just going to help us direct the hot air. So we'll open the door. This vehicle is pretty easy. It doesn't have a window frame. So I'm going to start at the edge here and heat it up. And just kind of work the whole glass and the film, get some heat into it. We want to soften up the glue that's holding the window tint on, make it as easy to remove as possible. Put the door out here on the door check. So we'll take the razor blade, start to get under the edge here. Not quite there yet. Just working the razor blade. Trying to get a good chunk of film peeled up here so I can grab onto it. It's going to be pretty hot, so you'll be careful with your hands. But as you start to soften it up, it'll start to come off a lot easier. Just take your time and heat it up. And of course, just be careful where you're pointing the heat. You don't want to melt stuff. These heat guns get pretty warm. So to help with pulling it, I'm just going to put my knee into the door so it doesn't close. Try to pull it kind of at an angle like this. I'll work it back and forth. Once you start getting some heat into it, it'll just start to come off pretty easily. There we go. Now I'm just going to take some glass cleaner and just spray down the window and clean it really well. All the leftover adhesive. I'll take that razor blade and just start scraping and just work the razor blade around the window. Try to go in like lines. If it feels kind of dry, just spray some more glass cleaner on there. Glass cleaner helps break down the adhesive, and the razor blade helps pull it from the window. So I'm just going to keep going until all the old glue is gone. And you might have to wipe the window off so you can see where the old glue is, or you can just take the razor blade and just drag it across and you'll feel it. Let's scrape it up. Big glob there, let's wipe that off. almost all the glue is removed. I'm just gonna spray some more glass cleaner and just wipe it down with a paper towel and just check my work. See what else is left. So it looks like there's some over here. Glass cleaner. Some over there. And if you have to go down, just be careful. All the tint and the glue is removed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.